You would like to study and want to apply for a degree program at Reutlingen University. But how does it work, and what steps do you have to pay particular attention to? Let's take a closer look at the application process. To apply for a bachelor's degree, you need to register at hochschulstart.de or already be registered. Pay attention. It is important to note that you are only allowed to register once. After completing the registration, you can find your bid and ban under the Meine Daten tab. To be on the safe side, you should consider writing these down. In order to now apply for a bachelor's program at Reutlingen University, use the search boxes to search for Reutlingen University or for the relevant bachelor's program and then select this. Click on the link to be forwarded to the application portal of Reutlingen University, where you once again need to register. As on hochschulstart.de, it is important to note that you can only register one single time. When you register for Reutlingen University's application portal, you will have the option to enter your bid and ban. This will automatically transfer all the relevant data from hochschulstart.de. You can now start the online application. To stay informed about the current status of your application, it is important to enable email notifications. If you've studied before but did not complete the course, select 0 for the number of semesters that you've already spent studying. The application process at Reutlingen University is completely online. Once you've successfully completed the questionnaire, you are done. All you have to do now is enter your bid and ban again so that your application can be linked to hochschulstart.de. The current status of your application and any subsequent submissions that may be required can be viewed in the application portal of Reutlingen University. If anything is missing or needs to be resubmitted, it can be viewed here. For now, you are finished with Reutlingen University's application portal. The next step is to switch back to hochschulstart.de to prioritize your applications. If your application was successful, you can accept your university place on hochschulstart.de and complete your enrollment on Reutlingen University's application portal. You can download your admissions letter in Reutlingen University's application portal, and then all you need to do is submit the enrollment application. You have now successfully completed your enrollment, and everything else will be handled by the admissions office. Have a great time studying at Reutlingen University.